wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cameras for YouTube. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. While the rangefinder-style body on the Fujifilm X100V is designed to appeal to still shooters, it can also record at 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and provide a 10-bit 422 color output. Its hybrid viewfinder offers an optical image with a digital overlay. It comes with a physical shutter speed control and an exposure compensation dial, but it's got no zoom capability. At number 9, the Panasonic Lumix LX100 utilizes a large 4/3 sensor that's got a little more area than you'll find in a lot of comparable models. That means you get slightly better depth of field and an improved low-light performance. It's equipped with manual control dials and a fast Leica lens, but it's not sealed against dust. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the 5-axis image stabilization on the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV compensates for up to 4.5 stops of vibration. Its software offers 16 art filters you can use to enhance your photos and videos, and the body is also compatible with Panasonic lenses. The case is comfortable to grip and it features tutorials in the companion app. However, its maximum ISO is low. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for YouTube, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Sony RX100 is part of a line originally developed with travel photographers in mind, but its combination of portability, a clear fast Zeiss lens, and video recording without pixel binning quickly spread its popularity among filmmakers. It includes a pop-up viewfinder and a customizable function ring, but its battery life is poor. Moving up our list to number 6, the Canon EOS 90D boasts an effective 45-point cross-type autofocus system that can track objects moving through space. It doesn't extend as far out to the edges as some other models though, which limits your framing options slightly. The menu is easy to navigate and it's equipped with an articulating touchscreen. However, its buffer rate can get frustrating. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Canon EOS RP is a good choice for anyone who's also interested in photography or cinematography, as it has a full-frame sensor and is compatible with lots of outstanding lenses. The company also offers software that makes it easy to use as a webcam. It features a fast image processor and a good low-light performance, but its RAW files can be a bit noisy. At number 4, the Nikon Z50 Compact is a mirrorless option with an APS-C sensor and a flip-down screen for selfies. Its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allow you to pair it with your cell phone and share photos and videos with ease. It comes with fun filters and effects and a high-resolution viewfinder, and it can shoot slow motion in Full HD. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, by employing a slightly smaller sensor than some similar models with interchangeable lenses, the Panasonic Lumix GH5S keeps its body nice and compact. Its wide ISO range makes it competitive in low-light situations as well. It's equipped with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, a USB Type-C output, and dual SD card slot. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for YouTube, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if your content requires a durable capture device that can safely record extreme sports and death-defying stunts, then you're going to need the GoPro Hero 8 Black. It sets the standard for what an action cam should be able to accomplish. It offers good stabilization and creative mounting options, and can live stream wirelessly at up to 720p. And taking the top spot on our list, essentially a stripped-down version of the company's full-frame A7 series of mirrorless bodies, the Sony Alpha A6600 boasts a lot of the features that make those more expensive options so desirable, like 5-axis internal image stabilization. It includes excellent focus tracking, a silent mode for shooting stills, and a flip-up display. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cameras for YouTube, or simply click beneath this video.